Welcome to the Howler Hut. On today's episode, quarantining with Howler Ambassador Kameron Brown.
Action. Quarantine. Yeah. Self-isolation. Life in quarantine. Quarantine yourself. There is this total silver lining in that. I know we're super blessed to have all that we do have. Hey guys, welcome to my place, San Juan Capistrano, California. Let me show you around. All right, little farm to garden. Avocado from seed, potatoes and kale, radishes, celery, onions. Delicious. That's Koa. These are my only friends I have here in quarantine right now. Isolation gets to you sometimes, but these are edible. Great on salad. Come check out our collection. This is the perk of being a Howler ambassador. Oh yeah, Howler teas. These ones are super rad. How do they look? I'm taking my board collection. 6'1" canvas quad fin, my shortboard for bigger days. Oh, this is my foil. It's like you're flying, you feel like a dolphin. 5'6" Don Takayama Scorpion, an old school twin fin, keel twin fin. This is the Alaya 810 Kuka Pinto, Robert August Surf Tech, Wingnut 2 model, 10.6 for surfing with Koa. Koa loves to surf. Keel twin fin, super random fun board. Almond 5'6", quad fin, 2005 Dodge Sprinter. It is perfect. Where the nose of the longboards go. Best fan ever. I got a little secret. In case I was on a hike with my wife and Koa, and my dog brought this thing over, it's all fuzzy in her mouth, and I was like, what the heck is that? It's like a dead bird or something. She's throwing it around, and I grab it and I turn it around, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's a cat. It's a cat head. I told Jade that I threw it away, but really, I kept it. So yeah, here it is. It's a legitimate house cat. Meow. Sad, but so cool. Home security device. A daisy. Let me show you how it's done. Yeah. I want to show you guys a little side hobby that I love to do. Just caught this hive, or this colony of bees about a week ago. Didn't know where to put them, so put them on our roof. They're super sweet. Honeycomb. All right guys, it's Kameron Brown with Howler Brothers, eating at home. Quarantine with me. See you guys later. Oh, before we go, I gotta show you one last thing that's super important to my life. Man, for the past 10 plus years, I don't know, man, they've just been my pride and joy, and that is these.
Farewell from the Howler Hut. Be good and Godspeed.